Prosecutor vows to seek 40-year term for alleged sh00ter in Ortiz case. Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Santo Domingo's chief prosecutor vowed Friday to seek a 40-year prison term for the man accused of shooting retired Red Sox legend David Ortiz at a bar here Sunday night. Speaking to television reporters, sh00ter, the top prosecutor, said he will seek harsh punishment for the alleged gunman, Ralphie Ferreras Cruz. He's not going to see the sun for the next 40 years, sh00ter said in Spanish. Video by Sports Illustrated. Late Friday, Dominican authorities, including the 25-year-old Cruz, in connection to the shooting, the indictments mean authorities can hold the suspects for up to a year while investigators look into what they say was an orchestrated hit on Ortiz. A 10th person turned himself in on Friday, according to a lawyer for Yoel Lopez, a Dominican variety show producer who was injured during the attack on Ortiz. Authorities have Ortiz, 43, is hospitalized at Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston, where he was taken Monday for treatment. Dominican authorities have not said who ordered the attack on Ortiz or what the motive might have been, though they have indicated that they expect to provide more details next week. Officials have said documents recently submitted by prosecutors shed light on Cruz's movements following the shooting at Dial Bar and Lounge. At about 9:30 p.m. Sunday, Cruz told the man, identified by police as Juan Carlos Reynoso, that he had escaped from people who had tried to attack him and managed to grab their gun. Reynoso said he called Cruz a taxi and Cruz left, according to the documents. Cruz has reportedly claimed from jail that Ortiz wasn't his intended target, saying he was confused about his target because he had only been told the color of the man's clothing. A spokesman for prosecutors has rejected Cruz's assertions, which were broadcast by Dominican media outlets. Authorities allege Cruz was taken to the bar last Sunday on a motorcycle by 23, who fell from the bike following the shooting, was beaten by civilians, and then arrested. Garcia's lawyer, after the shooting, police found surveillance footage showing Garcia and Cruz huddling with 5 other men in a silver car on a street near the bar. The vehicle was driven. Those same men had been seen talking together in the neighborhood of Las Caobas at 5:30 p.m., about 4 hours before Ortiz was shot. The documents indicate that police believe the plot to shoot Ortiz was hatched from inside a prison with 2 inmates, Jose Eduardo Ciprian Lebron and Carlos Rafael Alvarez, communicating with Acosta, Luis Rivas Claes, 31, and another person to recruit people to participate in the attack. Amy Ortiz can be reached at. Follow her on Twitter. Laura Grimaldi can be reached at. Follow her on Twitter. Maria Kramer can be reached at. Follow her on Twitter. Related slideshow. The 2019 MLB season provided by M&A.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.